Hi, I'm Brady with Badger Welder here. So you've got your Badger Welder, now what? You've got your Badger Welder, you open it up. First thing you see is your manual. You're going to read it, understand it. You can check back at the website for updates for it. Then you've got your grounding clamp. Then you get your welding gun. You got your shield. That can come off. Right there's your tip. That can be replaced. Then you've got your spool wire, your spool tensioner. They'll come set up for flux core welding. Then you've got your power switch. Red is off, green is on, ready to weld, and then yellow would be your charge. Next to that, you've got your wire feed. This controls your speed of your wire coming out. You've got two LEDs down here. One is for MIG welding, tells you what mode you're in. The other one will light up when you're in flux core welding. You've got your charge breaker. You've got your external battery plug. Then you've got right next to that would be your gas port. To get started, the batteries have been disconnected for shipping purposes. I'm going to show you how to reconnect them. To get started, you're going to need a 7/16 socket or a screwdriver socket and a Phillips screwdriver. You're going to start by removing the yellow tag. Then you're going to remove these two Phillips screws. Then you're going to lift this spool plate holder up. Once the spool plate is open, you're going to see the yellow insulator tab. That's cutting the power to the batteries for safety during shipping. We're going to start by loosening up this nut right there with the 7/16 socket wrench or socket screwdriver. Loosen that up. Using your Phillips screwdriver, put it through the hole, pull that out. Then you can tighten this back up. Right underneath that you have your fuse. That will then give power to the entire welder. You can then go and put the spool plate back on. Put your Phillips screws back in. Now you can turn your welder to the weld position and you're ready to weld. So for charging your Badger welder, you're going to turn it to 24-volt charge. You'll see that over here you have your USB plug, and now it will be lit up. You're going to take your charger, plug it into the wall, take the other end, plug that into your charge port, flip the charger on, and then on the back side you're going to have a power light LED that will light up. And then you're also going to have your charger lights. Once they're all fully green and solid, it's fully charged. And that's how to get started with your Badger welder. For more supplies and information, visit the website www.badgerwelder.com.